Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theCeesarlife.com, and what's going on today, C's? I'm just playing catch up, and there's like a ton of open loops in my projects that I need to get completed, but so far there's like so much things out of my control. So what I gotta do is like slow down these little slow leaks, plug them up, and just address each issue one by one. So right now, as it stands, I am still a one-man show, but I had a couple meetings this week, and one of them resulted in a new mastermind group. So we're going to be meeting for our official first session next Wednesday. And our first session is to lay down a foundation of how we want to build this mastermind group, how we want to put it together, how many seats do we want at this mastermind group table, who are the eligible people that's going to be involved in this mastermind group, what are the agendas that we're going to look to tackle once we get this up and running. So I'm super excited. I'm doing a ton of research right now on how to put some of them together, and whether or not it's going to be a paid mastermind group or it's going to be free. More than likely it's going to be paid, because we want people who are skin in the game, and it's more of a cover charge as opposed to just letting anybody in, because we want people who take massive action and are looking to build something a lot bigger, and a lot bigger than just your normal sit around talk kumbaya and nothing gets done. So we're looking to get a ton of things done, and this guy that I'm doing this mastermind group with, we worked together in the past, and he is an awesome coach, a great executor. He is cerebral in his thinking, and I'm looking forward to building something super big with him. And as for me, I'm still like plugging away at these videos and going to add a blog to my thecaesarlife.com, right? I've been working on the blog behind the scenes, so now I'm going to upload as much of those videos from this YouTube channel onto the blog, and then add some little key notes on what the episode's about, yada yada yada, and trying to get more volume of traffic onto the website, because I'm looking to add more training programs, more workshops, more seminars, webinars, and whatnot. So looking to expand on that, and it's just so much to do, and all at the same time expressing this to people I come in contact with, because I'm looking to add more and more people to my team, who share the same vision, right? You could excel at a particular area that I'm interested in, and we can offer each other value in exchange for our services and whatnot. Because right now it's just like me building, and it's taking me a lot longer because I'm just the only person. So we'll see exactly where this next couple months lead, but I'm looking to start 2019 pretty big. And one of the big things that I want to do top of the year in January is host a seminar here in Boston, where I get as much of the independent coaching community, group fitness instructors, chiropractors, nutritionists together, and we have like an open panel discussion about state of the fitness industry in this city, and what can we do to improve it, and also build upon making it a lot bigger and better and more helpful for the ones that are coming up along the ranks who don't have access to these type of continuing education or mentorships available to them post graduation from their certification or academy or yoga school or whatever it is, right? So I'm trying to bring these minds together and see what we can come up with. And right now I'm in talks with a ton of people who are super interested. Now we just gotta lock down a venue and start the campaign, pretty much. So there's no lollygagging. I have absolutely no time to lollygag. It's just everything that I have in my mind, I make sure that I write it down in my little black book, my little journal, so that I can make room for new thoughts and new ideas, so I can continue upon this path, right? So a ton of updates to go along. If you're not part of the list yet, join the tribe. This is where I will share most of my upcoming projects and upcoming programs. So whatever it is that you need or looking for me to help you with, you can communicate with me via email and I will answer it to everyone. All right. So once again, thank you for watching. I'm going to end this video here with this quick little update because there's so much things I gotta get caught up on. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Holla at the kid.